Lens Tutorial TV, your one-stop hub for learning everything.
Hello, we are here from Lens Tutorial TV, your one-stop hub to learn everything. I say yes, to learn everything. Do you mean that? Yes, I mean it, to learn everything from academics, music, information, technology, manufacturing, cooking, anything you want to talk about. What is that thing you want to learn? You'll be dreaming about to learn and you don't know. You want to learn and you don't know. You don't even know where to learn from. Here is the right place to learn. We've got you covered to teach you many things that you want to know, that you wanted before now. You still want, but you don't know how to get it. We are here to help you. Is that your dream? Or the dreams, they will all come true. The secrets behind them one by one. How to do them? We have the secret. We know the secret. Our helpers, our facilitators, and the teachers, they know. Our facilitators, our teachers, our experts, they are here to guide you, to help you make that dream or the dreams come true. Together, you, we, all of us, up, we meet ourselves. What do you want to learn? What do you want to learn? You can put that in comments. New thing to learn, you can put that in comments, then you get video for that. We are here to help you. Join us. Be part of us. Let's learn together. Therefore, what you need to do now, subscribe to Lens Tutorial TV. Hit the notification button for you to be informed, for you to be alerted, for you to be aware whenever we upload any video. After that, like every video, share every video, comment. As you do this, we grow together. Lens Tutorial TV, your one-stop hub to learn everything. And together, we grow together. From Lens Tutorial TV, I say bye.